Hello there, fellow crafters. Memory keeping is more than just a hobby. It's a beautiful way to preserve memories, stories, and moments that you'll cherish for years to come. Did you know that scrapbooking began in the United Kingdom in the 19th century? Since then, it's been used to preserve everything from images and recipes to quotes, letters, poems, and more. What a fun and meaningful way to paper craft. Here at Stampin' Up, we're always striving to create new products that inspire you to explore your creativity and tell your story through memory keeping. And featured in our 2025-2026 annual catalog, we've got some amazing products that are perfect for your next memory keeping project. The products mentioned in this video are just the tip of the iceberg. As always, we have so much more to offer in our online store, so after this video, be sure to check out our wide selection of products you can use on your next scrapbooking layout. Now let's dive in. Let's start with the Memories in Bloom Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. This kit was designed with you in mind to give you a head start on your memory keeping projects. It's made with a purpose, containing everything you need, including the Memories in Bloom sticker sheet, designer series paper, stamp set, and two-tone cardstock. Whether you're just beginning your memory keeping journey or you're looking for an all-inclusive kit featuring all new products, this kit has got you covered. Next up, let's talk about the Touch of Gold tags. These little beauties are perfect to add notes, sentiments, recipes, poems, and more to your scrapbooking pages. The creative possibilities are endless with these tags, whether you're adding them to highlight a special photo or using them to jot down a cherished memory. Of course, no memory keeping is complete without some stunning patterned paper. We've got a wide range of designs that are perfect for adding backgrounds, layers, and extra details to your layouts. From bold and bright to soft and subtle, there's something for every style and occasion. But that's not all. Our coordinating bundles make memory keeping even easier. Each bundle includes a stamp set and matching dies or punches, giving you a variety of sentiments and images that work beautifully for all kinds of memory keeping layouts. Whether you're creating a page about a special milestone, a family adventure, or everyday moments, these bundles provide the perfect finishing touches to complement your photos and journaling. Today, we've only scratched the surface of the memory keeping products we have to offer. If you're looking for more options or need help or suggestions, be sure to reach out to your demonstrator. They're always here to help you find the perfect products to bring your scrapbook to life. Thanks for joining me today, and happy memory keeping. Remember, each page you create is a piece of your story. Let's make it beautiful together.